At the end of the installation, you're going to have a full-fledged Nagios core with graphic, with notification. You're going to be able to see different type of service that you might want to configure in your environment.
Today we are going to learn how to configure Nagios into Cloudera cluster.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. معكم محمد الشناق، واليوم راح أحكي في هذا الفيديو عن كيفية تركيب وتشغيل برنامج المراقبة ناجيوس وتشغيله كسيرفر.
Una vez instalado y levantado el agente NRP en Asterisk para el monitoreo,
today I'm going to show you the Nagios monitoring tool in Docker.
Thank you from all of us here at Nagios for sharing your videos this month. Keep it up!